Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mariam.
Morning, sir, ma'am.
Good morning, Khadija. Good morning,
How
all
are
of you.
you?
Absolutely fine. Very cold.
It's so cold that when we turn the fan on, I got a cold.
You cannot turn on the fan only, Khadija. It's very, very cold. Am I right, Mariam?
Yeah, but
Hmm.
even when you wear the jacket, it still feels cold.
Yeah. Still, in comparison to other states, Maharashtra is there's not a very low temperature over here. In many states like Delhi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. When you go to Delhi, temperature of Delhi goes something to 1 degree.
1 second, ma'am.
So it's extremely cold there. But still, here
I'm
also it's very cold. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning, all of you.
Ma'am, I have made one for truth.
Okay, let others join. We will wait for another 2 to 3 minutes. And from today, we are going to start a revision.
Science or maths today?
Science, beta, science. Today onwards, we'll start revision of science, okay? And tomorrow also, we will do revision of maths. So whole week we'll go for revision.
Science.
And something very interesting. Friday is our holiday. So only 2 days of revision, today and tomorrow. And thereafter you will be giving your exams. Right, Mariam? So just let me tell you. Your science assessment is on 18th. Am I right, Khadija?
Check the timetable and it was on the 18th.
Yes. Oh, sorry, 18th. Right. Your science assessment is on 18th. Your maths assessment is on 19th. Right. Okay. Okay. Everybody, I request everybody to please write your name. Okay. And GOOE. The name that you have written here, please change your name to your correct name. Right, Maria Mohammed Ismail, Ayat, Amna, very good. They have written their own name. Even Rufeda has also written her own name. Who is GOOE? Please put on your video. Who is GOOE? Please put on your video. Sorry.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Science.
Okay. Good, Ayat. Okay, it was Asma. Okay, Asma. Asma, good morning, beta. We need to write our name, not any other name. Okay, and today we will do lots of revision on science. Tomorrow we will do lots of revision over maths because next week your exams are there. Okay, quickly take out your science notebook, everybody.
Ma'am, I've already brought it.
Yes, beta.
I've already brought my sense notebook.
Good. Those who are already set with the maths notebook, very good.
Moving to science and maths.
Yes, beta, we are going to do today revision of science. Whatever we have read in science of unit 5 and 6, we will do revision of that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Quickly take out your science notebook, everybody.
Ma'am, I ready.
Good. Okay. So, my first question is regarding sounds. If you remember what we studied in sounds, first one, we make sounds to do what? Just a minute.
Communicate.
Very good. Who gave this answer?
Asya.
Very good, Asya. We make sounds to first. I'm giving you option. Okay. Such type of questions will be coming in your exams, beta. Okay. Close-ended also, drawing also. Okay.
W-E.
Okay. So tell me, Asya gave me the right answer. Let me come to Mariam Sheikh unmute and tell me, we make sounds to do what? Communicate, shout, or walk?
S-O-U-S.
Yes, dear. Tell me, we make sounds to do what?
Communicate, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Mariam Sheikh. Amna, unmute and tell me, we make sounds to do what?
Clap.
We make sounds to do what? The options are given here, beta. We make sounds to communicate, or shout, or walk.
Ma'am, yes, please.
Yes.
Ma'am, we mostly make sounds to communicate. That's the
Very
correct
good,
answer.
Khadija. Very good, Khadija.
Ma'am, we sound to communicate.
Good. So now everybody will write on your notebook. Do not write these options, okay? Just write the correct answer. We make sounds to do what?
तो साइंस है ना मैथ्स निकाले
Everybody write it down on your notebook, beta. I will be coming to each one of you to discuss. Okay, so do not worry. Everybody keep writing. Keep writing. Okay, because if you will write faster, no, then you can complete your exams on time. Yes, Asma, unmute, beta, are you facing any problem? Asma, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Asma, are you fine, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you writing it down? Can you tell me, Asma, we make sounds to do what? to communicate, to walk, or to shout? Asma, can you hear me? Asma, can you hear me, beta?
Yes.
Can you tell me why do we make sounds? We make sounds to do what? Yes, beta, I'm sharing this.
Communicate.
Very good. Oh, it went away. No problem. I'm writing once again. So write it down. We make sounds.
I writing.
Very good, beta. Everybody, please write it down. We make sounds to communicate. Come on, everybody, write it down.
You and I. You wanna-
Arya Mohammed Ismail, come on, write it down. Now, don't write the next question, okay? From the next question onwards, you will write only answer. Just the similar way you are going to write down during your exam, okay? Words make sound to do what?
And
Option.
birds make sounds to pass information.
CO
Excellent, my girl.
double M
Option A,
UN.
frighten. Option B,
UN
warn, danger.
I.
Do not write the second question. Only you have to write the answer, beta. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. So birds make sound to pass. Let me come to Mifra and mute. Tell me, beta, birds make sound to do what? Do
And
birds?
birds make sound to pass information. That
Yes,
means
very
that
good.
we can inform other birds that danger is coming or there is a feeding ground nearby.
Very good, Khadija. Very, very, very depth concept. Very good. Mifra, unmute beta. Can you tell me the answer? Why do birds make sound? I have given you 3 options. You can choose it from there. Unmute Mifra. Ahmed Noor and Mifra. First, put on your video. Ahmed Noor and Mifra. Put on your video, please. Ahmed Noor and Mifra. Please put on your video. Ahmed Noor, can you hear me? Ahmed Noor, Mifra, can you hear me? Mifra and Ahmed Noor, if you can hear me, please
Yes,
put on
ma'am.
your video. Mifra, put on your video. I cannot see you, beta. Are you there, Mifra, in the class? Okay. Are you writing, Mifra? No. Mifra, are you writing? Why, beta? See, everybody is writing. We are just revising. Because your exams are nearby, no? Next week, you're going to write your exams. That is why you need to revise today. See, everybody is writing. Come on, Mifra, you also write. Just one word answer, beta, nothing much. Okay, Mifra, can you tell me why do birds make sound? Do not write. Can you tell me? Mifra, can you tell me why do birds make sound? Mifra, are you there?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Beta, you're not writing, you're not saying anything. How will I get to know? Then I need to give you marks, no? How will I give you good marks? You need to
Teacher, information.
good marks. Yes, Amna, tell me, beta.
Information.
Very good, very good. Let me come to next. Maria Mohammed Ismail, unmute and tell me, why do birds make sound?
Information.
Very good. Now everybody only write number 2 like this. Wait, I'm explaining you. Only write number 2 and write information on your notebook. Only write information. Oh my God, I can write. Only do write number 2 dot and then write information. Okay. Those who will write very fast, no. And you know one very interesting thing, in your exams, I'm giving you one interesting news. During your exams, you need to draw also.
Christina, ma'am, my turn.
Christina ma'am, where is Christina ma'am, beta?
Sorry. I know your name.
You don't know my name, ma'am. Ayat.
No.
Oh, my name is Prerna.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. Have you written it down on your notebook, Ayat?
Yes, ma'am.
It means you all are going to get good marks in your exams. So you will be getting such type of questions only, beta. Some close-ended questions. Close-ended means questions with option, like I have given you options. Similarly, also you will be getting one question of drawing where you need to draw something. Okay, Mariam
Ma'am,
Sheikh,
should I
ask
draw
now,
the
Rufaida.
plant?
Very good.
And the leaves and the flowers.
Yes, but today we are not going to draw plant, Rufeda, because Khadija, I'm sorry, because you have already drawn a plant and you have named the parts of plant. Am I right, Khadija?
We have.
Oh, yes, we have already done it. In fact, we have done
Ma'am,
it.
my plant is growing.
Growing, no? Very good, beta. Very good. It means you're taking proper care of it.
I grow dhania pata.
Oh, so sweet. Very good. Very good. Very good.
The plant is good. The plant is
Very good. Rufeda, tell me first, have you written it down on your notebook?
just little bit.
Little bit, beta. Write it down. Write it down. And
Okay.
then we will discuss on the dhania plant that you are growing. Okay, beta?
Okay.
Okay, my girl. Let me come to Tawhid and mute.
Teacher done.
Good. Tawhid, can you hear me? Tawhid, can you hear me? Tawhid, can you tell me birds make sound to pass what? Do birds make sound to frighten you or to warn you?
Ma'am, I went also write second word.
Only write, beta, answer, only write answer. Like you need to only write, I told you, write 2 dot and then write information. Just write information. Yes, beta, only see as I am writing here, no? Similarly. Okay, similarly write down on your notebook. Just write 2 dot and write information. Okay. Quickly complete it so that I can move on to the third question. Oh, I'm sorry. Here it is.
Write information.
Good. Asya, unmute and tell me, have you completed writing? Mariam Sheikh, unmute and tell me, have you completed writing? Asya, can you tell me if you have completed writing? Asma, Mifra, Ahmed Noor, put on your video, please. Asma, beta, put on your video. Yes, Asya. Very good, Asya. Okay, Asma, unmute. Asma, can you tell me birds make sound to do what?
Information.
Very good. Information. Good, good. Asma, can you tell me birds make sound to do what?
जोर से बोलो
To pass, I mean, to frighten you or to warn you for the danger or to pass the information.
जोर से बोलो ना जोर से बोलो वॉर्न जोर से बोलो
To warn people.
Warn. But beta, birds do warn us. Birds only fly away, no? When we come very closer to the birds, they are only very frightened. They fly away. They run away. Right, Asma?
Yes.
Yes. So birds make sound to pass the information. How do two birds talk? Two birds talk. How do they talk? They do cheek.
how do they talk
And then they pass information to other birds. Am I right, Asma?
Yes.
Okay, I think there is some background noise from somewhere. Good, Rufai. Okay, Tohir. Tohir,
तोहित आवाज दे तोहित आवाज दी
Tohir.
Yes, ma'am.
Tohir, beta, first
Yes.
settle down. We have passed 30 minutes of the class, beta. Yes, Tohir. Tell me, birds make sounds to frighten, to warn about the danger, or to pass the information. What do birds do? Yes, Tohir. Tohid, you need to write it down, beta. You're having a breakfast now. Tohid, can you hear me?
Yes.
Is there anybody nearby you, beta? Your mama, papa, or anybody?
Yes.
Is there anybody nearby you? Your mother, your father, your sister, anybody nearby you?
Yes.
Can you please let me talk to your parents? Can you please call your parents, your mama, your papa, or anybody, whosoever is there at home? Please call them
Should I
quickly.
call my mother?
Yes, Khadija?
Ma'am, shall I also call my mother?
No. Yes, Tawhid, quickly call your mama. And others, if you have completed writing the second question, I will not let you sit a while. You can. Now you have time to write the main parts of the plant. Okay, beta. Quickly, we will complete it and we will finish off the class. Okay, do not worry much. Okay. Main parts of the plant. What are the main parts of the plant?
Mom,
Yes, beta.
flower, stem, leaf, food.
Very good. You need to write it down on your notebook.
Can you please repeat?
Yes, I'm repeating, just a moment. Okay, I'm saying you need to write on your notebook main parts of the plant. Write down on your notebook. What are the main parts of the plant? Flowers. Write it down. Flowers, leaves, roots, and stem. Only 4 things. Quickly, let me see who can write it quickly. Come on, Asya, Ayat, Mariam Mohammed Ismail, Amna, Rufeda, write it down. Mariam Sheikh, Ahmed Noorwaid, unmute. Yes, Ahmed Noor, first tell me, beta, have you completed writing question number 1 and about question number 2 that I told you?
Yes.
Excellent. Now write the third one. Coming, Mariam Gola. Unmute, Mariam Gola.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, do we have to write it in a science or math?
Okay, beta, first of all, you have joined 30 minutes late when the class is about to end. Then how will you complete writing? Tell me.
Ma'am, I write fast.
Wait, I will tell you what to write. Okay, I will help you out. Wait. You take out your science notebook first of all, quickly, Mariam. Take out your science notebook and remember, from coming Tuesday, your exams are coming. Okay. Your exams are there from coming Tuesday. So please join on time. If you're late, you're going to miss your exams. And then your marks will also vary. You might not get that good marks. Because many people are joining very fast. Quickly, Mariam Gola, tell me. Good one,
I got late.
Yes, you are very late, beta. 30 minutes late. How will you complete writing? Come on now. Take out your maths notebook, science notebook, Mariam Gola. And write only answers. Write question number 1. Very good, Ayat. Show me. Have you written the main parts of plant? Flowers, leaves, root, stem. Okay, good. Because you need to write it during your exams also.
Ma'am, I write made plants of each plants.
Okay, beta. You need to write like this. Like main parts of the plant, you need to write like this. Flowers. Wait, I'm writing flowers. Then roots. Then stem. Then leaves.
Yes.
Or leaf.
Wait, ma'am. I write wait.
Yes, beta,
Flower.
like this, everybody. Like this, you have to write during your exams. Mariam Gola, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Mariam Gola, you first write the main parts of plant. Leave question number 1 and 2. Do not write question number 1 and 2. Only write the third one.
Okay, ma'am.
Only write the third one. Write main parts of the plant. Name of the main parts of the plant. Flowers, roots, stem,
What,
leaf.
ma'am?
On your notebook, Mariam Gola, write main parts of the plant.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Beta, there is a lot of background noise
Okay,
from
ma'am.
your end, Mariam. That is why I think you're not able to hear me properly.
I want to make the jokes too. Like, on your camera and I forgot.
Mariam Gula, write main parts of the plant as I have written here on the notebook, on the board, no?
Ma'am,
Similarly,
do I have to write 3 and then write?
first, yes, like this. See here. First, you
Yes.
just do it like this. Write number 3 on your notebook, okay? And
Mhm.
then you write main parts of the plant, flowers, then roots, then stem, then leaf. Okay, like this. Just write this part. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
write number 3 and then write main parts of the plant. Write flowers, then next line like here. You can see here, like here I have written. Similarly.
Yes. Write in my notebook, ma'am.
Yes, beta, you have to write it down on your notebook. Tawhid, Tawhid, can you please call your mama, beta, quickly? Mama or sister, anybody, quickly. Everybody, please write main parts of the plant. Yes, Tawhid, can you please call your mama?
Mama.
Tawhid, please call your mama. It's too late, beta. You haven't written anything. You're just sitting idle, beta. Please call your mama quickly. Mariam, please complete writing, beta. And Tawhid, are you hearing me? Tawhid?
I hope.
Yes, Tawhid? Who is there at your back? Who is there, beta? Tawhid, can you hear me, Tawhid?
Here.
Nobody is there at your home. You're not listening to me at all, Tawhid. Everybody, please join on time, because if you're joining late, you're going to miss your class. Okay, if you're going to miss your class, you will not be getting time to complete the writing part. Okay, so please join on time. Yasir, you have also joined when the class is about to over. Just after 2 minutes, we are going to end the class, beta. Yes, Amna, very good, Amna. Very good. Asya, unmute and tell me, beta, have you completed writing?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Doing? Okay. Right. Whenever you complete writing, Asya, do lift up your notebook and show it to me. Asma, unmute and tell me, beta, have you completed writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me your notebook, dear? Okay. Similarly, beta, you have to write it down during your exams. Okay. Nothing new will be coming. All whatever we have studied in unit 5 and unit 6 of sounds and plants, that will be coming in your exams. Okay. Nothing new. And everything will be from your book only. Nothing apart from book. Mariam Sheikh and Rufaida, unmute and tell me, both of you, have you completed drawing? Very good, Khadija. Excellent.
I'm not
Excellent,
done yet.
Khadija. Not done
Yes,
yet?
ma'am, I completed.
Good, Rufaida. Okay, Mariam Sheikh. Completed.
Ma'am, I'm going to Just right now. Done.
Done. Excellent, my girls. Okay, okay. Very good, Khadija, beta. Good, Khadija. It's good to see that you all are writing. In fact, most of you have completed. Very good, Ayat. Very good, Ayat, beta. Mariam Gola, unmute and tell me, how far have you written?
Mom, just a bit more.
Okay. Okay. So those who have written, listen to me. This type of questions will be coming in your exams. Questions will be where you will be getting options to choose, like you chose here, no? Birds make sounds to pass information. Similarly, you will be getting question, you will have to draw also, okay? Drawing of a plant, okay? So be ready to draw a beautiful plant, okay? A beautiful plant or a beautiful flower, okay? Flower with having roots, stem and leaf and flowers, okay? Very good, Ayat. Very good handwriting, Ayat. Okay, and also one open-ended means you will one question will be there in which you will not be getting any options, no options, and you need to only write it down. Only you have to write the answer. I cannot give you any option. And it will be very easy, very, very easy. Very good, Asya. I saw it, Asya, beta. Good, Asya, good. Okay, now those who have completed writing, you can leave the class. Be prepared for the exam. Tomorrow we will discuss and do revision on maths, okay? Amna, Mari Mohammed Ismail, very good. Yes, Amna, unmute and tell me. Very good, Mari Mohammed Ismail.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Good one. Good, Asya. Good, Amna. Okay.
Ma'am.
Asya, Maria Mohammed Ismail, Khadija, you can take the leave. Asma, Rufeda, good. You can also take the leave. Mariam Sheikh, you can also leave the class. Okay, Asma, unmute. Asma. Asma, unmute. Coming, Yasir.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, Asma.
Yes.
Done. Okay, beta. Do revision of Unit 5 and Unit 6. Okay, Asma.
Okay.
Yasir, unmute. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell
Ma'am,
me, Yasir.
only 10 minutes take the class.
Yes, Yasir.
10 minutes take the class.
Yes, beta, I'm taking the class only, Yasir. But you are joining very late, beta. See, you have joined at 10:32. You have joined just 5 minutes early, beta. How you will study? Now tell me. You will not be getting time to write. You cannot understand what I discussed. You know your exams are coming in the
Ma'am.
next week.
Only 10 minutes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, I have given ample of time, beta. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. Do not worry. Yes, Mariam Golan, mute and tell me. Coming, Asma.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done. Good. Such type of questions will be coming, Mariam Gula. So do revise Unit 5 and Unit 6. Asma, unmute and tell me, beta.
Can I leave?
Yes, beta. Now we will meet again tomorrow. Okay? Revising math.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, beta.